And welcome back everyone to this new devlog. Another week has passed. Another week where I tried to give some intelligence to the enemy AI in the single player mode. As you can see, not a lot of intelligence till here when it starts following me. That was the first breakthrough of the week, making the enemy ship to follow the player, and that was basically the first important breakthrough of the week, because it was a week full of fancy breakthrough. After that, I wanted the enemy ship to shoot, so the best way to make them shoot it was to put a collision shape, but that didn't work as expected. As you can see, the collision shape was triggering the physics engine, and it was a thing that happened. Interesting. I mean, you can say interesting, but definitely not the result I wanted. I mean, pretty fun. We had fun on stream when the thing happened, but then I wanted to solve this issue, and the main issue was to not trigger the physics engine while still having an hitbox. And this, you can see the solution. The solution was to add an area 2D as a child of the enemy ship, and putting the collision shape inside the area 2D. In that case, the collision is triggered, so I got the signal when the player entered and exit the area, so I can start and stop firing. Well, not I, but the AI now is doing all this firing on his own, and I'm just going to hit with the homing missile. And this is the first version of the game where the AI follows you and defeats you. So after that, I needed 2 more collision shape, because I wanted the AI to start using the shield, and that here we are. The AI is able now to trigger the shield, and now I needed the last collision shape to add, and this one is the big one, and this is for basically it's for the homing missile. And same strategy, area 2D with collision shape inside. So if the player is inside the collision shape, the area 2D triggers, and the homing missile is fired. You can see that the enemy is triggering the shield whenever possible, and the same thing for the homing missile. The homing missile is not firing continuously, because only one homing missile can be in the map at any one time. So that is how the homing missile is not replicated like the other projectile, the standard projectile, the blue one. And that the state of the game. It's at this point it's super hard for the player to win, because the enemy ship is super precise, mainly on the shield, and if I turn on the ship, it just start to shoot super fast at you in the face. but it's pretty challenging, and I'm not lying. This already start to have some kind of fun feeling. Probably there are a lot of tweaks to be done, but I'm happy for the state of the game. And this is the last thing I did last week. I opened my Blender and I created the new home screen for the game. So a new home page, and just to have a little bit of decency when I look at the screen. And that's it for this week. And thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.